Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, we are all in the green. As I mentioned yesterday, maybe this year's Bitcoin halving event might be slightly different than what we have experienced in the past, but at the same time be a little fearful for the next coming 7 days. If we talk about the trading volume for Dogecoin, it has fallen quite significantly. It's sitting close to 1.7 billion. Dogecoin holds strong at a 50% retracement. Bullish trend is ahead. Now China declares crypto mining in a certain area to be crime, and at the same time Dogecoin thrives to be the leading meme token and nothing can slow it down. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. Just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, to decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. Right now, when the market is in green, we need to make sure that we are able to show some positivity. What I mean by that is if we get the increase in the social engagement, there will be more whales that will be paying attention to Dogecoin, and the trading volume is going to go explosive, and so is the price. First of all, I want to show you guys something interesting. So Ton Coin was competing with Dogecoin for the slot 8. There was many times when they were swapping each other, but now you can see clearly Dogecoin has established its spot in the 8th slot. What I mean by that is you guys can see, compared to the trading volume, at one point Ton Coin's trading volume was at 1 billion, but now it has fallen all the way down to 300 million, while Doge is still holding strong close to 1.7 billion, which is a little bit higher than XRP at the moment. The reason a lot of people are actually sidelining themselves and making sure that they don't buy anything right now is from the previous experience they have had. After the Bitcoin halving event, we usually see a little bit of pullback, and that's what people are waiting for before actually buying in. On the other end, I want to show you guys the price action that Doge is doing. This is what's different compared to anything we have seen before. If you guys look at this, you can see that when we found the support around here, we did have a little bit of recovery, and then the recovery is actually showing an uptrend that will not be slowing down. Also, if we look from down here, you can see that we're still in a strong uptrend, maybe a little bit breakout from where it should have been. Like if we use the previous support, we did break below, but if we're able to just climb up to the 18-cent mark, then we will be actually in an uptrend, and I know a lot of you guys will be very happy to see that. On the other end, this is really good. Dogecoin holds strong at a 50% retracement. What I mean by that is, despite the 4th Bitcoin halving event, Dogecoin remained relatively stable. Dogecoin experienced a correctivity phase over the 3 weeks, marked a significant price decline, but Dogecoin bounced back above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, signals a potential bullish reversal that will be explosive. I mean, personally, I would not be shocked, and seeing that China is breaking down, declaring crypto mining as a crime, this shows this is usually a negative start to the Bitcoin halving event. This has happened so many times in the previous years where China declares that they do not want to allow any more crypto mining, and that's exactly what triggers a little bit of a downtrend. And the reason I wanted to tell you guys about this is make sure you prepare yourself. I personally feel like we still have a lot of upside left, but there might be a little bit of retracement before we see a move forward. And the other reason why Dogecoin is doing so well today is simply DOGEDAY. If you guys do not know, DOGEDAY is still trending on Twitter, and a lot of people are still talking about it. And keep in mind, Doge Day is a big day. It's the 20th of April, and that was declared as Doge Day by our boy Elon Musk. And let's just say everyone in the community is also happy and more money is flowing into it. I mean, if we just talk about this whale, you guys can see on the 20th of April, which is Doge Day, they decided to purchase $300,000 worth of Dogecoin, and they have not been purchasing much. You can see on 2nd of April, 7th of April, they've only had about 4, in total they've only had 4 different transactions, and one of them being on the 20th. And you can see that the first purchase they did was of 75 million, and that was at 21 cents. So they are in a little bit of a scary zone fearful state for them. On the other end, you can see this is another whale which has just been buying constantly. Every single day has been making sure they scoop up as much Dogecoin as they possibly can, and now they have increased the limit at how much they are buying. Close to $2.4 million worth of Dogecoin being purchased every single day, just to give you perspective. And on the other end, Bitcoin fees greater than $100. If you have $100 in Bitcoin, you need to spend more than $200 to get that $100 out of your account. 54% of hold less than this much Bitcoin, which is currently 63 USD. How many wallets will be able to take it out? And all those addresses cannot move it. Can the sell-off come? Well, the thing is, it is a little unlikely due to the fact it would be really hard to be able to move all this. Now is currently back testing the micro golden pocket. If we get back above this level, that would be absolutely massive and would call for a higher price. However, it won't be easy. As I mentioned, just getting over that 18-cent mark right now would be the key level. If we're able to stay above that, that's going to be the driving factor. Dogecoin has bottomed. Lowest we will ever see Dogecoin again. The price is about to go explosive. Now, as I mentioned, there is a lot of potential for the price to go up, but right now we just need to break above the 18-cent mark to declare that we're back in an uptrend. And if you look at the trading volume or the open interest, actually, you can see it's up by 5%. It's slowly starting to show a positive trend, and at the same time, the liquidations today were about 5 million. So you can see all the short traders have been liquidated quite strongly. And if we talk about the long to short, it's still sitting pretty much around the same zone, which is close to 70% to 30%. So this is a good time if you do want to buy some before the market goes crazy. At the same time, if you want to sideline yourself, that's completely okay. But this would be a worse time to be able to take leverage trades. In my opinion, that would not be a good take. DOGEDAY sparks rally. Can Elon Musk's tweet send us further? And the answer is yes. Right now, waiting on Elon Musk's tweet is actually a really interesting take, because if Elon decides to tweet something relating to DOGEDAY as the market is in green, Doge will be showing some crazy potential. Chainlink co-founder says more crypto ETF to come. Is Ethereum and Dogecoin next? I mean, if that happens, you guys know that's going to have a really positive impact on the Dogecoin price. Dogecoin price analyst, key support level to watch out, Bitcoin halving event prior. I mean, right now we are already sitting at a really good spot. We just need to make sure that we are able to sustain the spot and at the same time keep climbing and make it to the previous high, which was required to stay in a positive trend, which is close to 18 cents. Now, another thing is Grayscale Bitcoin ETF sees 1.6 billion outflow before the halving. So you can see that there is a lot of whales which are trying to, take their money away from Bitcoin before the halving event and then come back later. That's usually what happens, but you guys make your decision. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.